How you doing? Welcome. I'm Dr. Paul Dyer. I just want to give you a greeting today. I've been wrestling with a couple of different points that I want to share with the public, and then I want to get your feedback on what's going on. After my finished prayers, I decided I want to been wrestling with this to see if we can get this all fixed up. I believe in the emotional blockage that we personally all have with communication. Now, we understand that communication is a big part of our lives. It's how we communicate. Are the words we are using, are they being understood with the words that are heard? And what I mean by that, I think there's oftentimes where there's sarcasm, where there's misplaced spoken words, and feathers are being rustled. Now I can hear some of you already saying, stop being so sensitive. I don't think sensitivity is the issue. I don't think having us be so callous to things being spoken. We have emotional education, we have environmental education, we have past teachings, we have present teachings, and we have experience. Most of those things are played on to discern how things are being spoken to you. You've heard the term, don't disrespect me, don't diss me. I didn't mean to call you that, you took it out of context. That's because our communication has been blown up and very disrupted since the small age. If you're unclear about what is being said, ask. If you don't ask, then you're going to go off of your past experiences, and that's where your assumption is going to come from. You're going to go off of past emotions. You're going to go off of past environmental thoughts that's going to try to give you your definition of what was trying to be conveyed to you. What about the texting and the social media and emails? Again, most of those times when you're reading those with your voice or your presumed voice of the other person. Not good. If we all notice, that has seen us fail miserably in that arena. We are being constructed by our fears. The only way to release the construct and to get out of the matrix that is being pushed on you is to understand, assess that your presumed or assumed definition of speech comes from past, not present. This is why we always talk about be present. But if you're present with a past mind, with a past experience, with your past environment, with your past education of thought, and you're bringing that into the now, well, then you're not really listening to the words being spoken to you. We are damaged in so many ways. Healing is part of our practice. Defending against the sickness is part of our practice. I want you to ask yourself, am I listening to you, to the words that I want to hear, or am I not understanding what you were trying to say? Let's ask each other those questions. Let's ask each other to clear up so we do not get into a past thought experience of education, of emotional that's being brought forward. I think if we do this, we will live a lot better, cleaner, healthier. And we can build our community, our neighborhoods, our families, one word, voice at a time. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this. I do. So you post them, send it to me, and then I will get back to you. Namaste.